Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to read Volcano Rising, written by Elizabeth Rush, illustrated by Susan Swan. Let's go. Volcano Rising by Elizabeth Rush, illustrated by Susan Swan. Great illustrations in this book. Kaboom! Most people think volcanoes are either sound asleep or blowing their tops off in a fiery, ash-spewing catastrophes. But volcanoes are not just destructive. Much more often, volcanoes are creative. They grow taller and wider. They form majestic mountains, and they build new islands where there were none before. Both creative and destructive eruptions start with gooey melted rock called magma. Magma from deep in the earth rises up a gigantic straw-like tube to vent or opening. If magma makes it to the earth's surface, it's called lava. A burst of lava is an eruption. Pow! Gases blast lava out in an explosive eruption. Hiss! Gases and lava slowly seep out in a creative eruption. A creative eruption can start with the ground swelling a tiny bit each year. Magma gathering underground creates a bulge that may one day make a new mountain. And this was in the Cascade Mountains in Oregon. 3 composite volcanoes, massive cones made from layers of both lava and ash, sit together in a tight cluster as if they're having a tea party. They're called 3 sisters, North, Middle, and South Sister. But wait! What's this? A large area next to South Sister rose about 4 inches, 10 centimeters between 1996 and 2000, and continues to rise. This uplift is caused by magma pooling a few miles under the surface. Scientists think a new volcano, West Sister, may join the party sometime, giving us yet another spectacular mountain to explore. Sometimes creation happens more quickly. Volcanoes can appear out of nowhere. One day the ground cracks and ash spurts out, forming a new volcano. Volcanoes even make mountains underwater. If these submarine volcanoes grow high enough, their tips form new islands. Some volcanoes secretly erupt under glaciers, hiding growing mountains deep under thick ice. Creative eruptions can continue for a really long time. Whoosh! Fountains of red-hot lava squirt high into the air. Gurgle! Stinky lava streams to the shore. Tss! Fluid lava hits the ocean, steaming and hardens to form new land. Most volcanoes have both destructive and creative eruptions. Wham! They blow their tops, then spurt, gurgle, scrape. They get down to business of building a new dome. Kaboom! Boom! Even the most dangerous volcanoes, supervolcanoes, can do creative work. Between gigantic eruptions, they can erupt gently for many years, repairing the scarred land. To save roads, houses, and harbors, people have tried to stop creative eruptions, but even gentle lava flows are hard to halt. Still, people are rarely hurt by creative eruptions because they can outwalk or outrun them. In fact, we inch up close as we can to these eruptions, even underwater, to watch the landscape changing. Creative eruptions give us a chance to witness the power of a volcano rising. And that's it. What an interesting book. I did not realize there was a creative and a destructive volcano. Very interesting. I miss you. I love you. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye, boys and girls.